All right. So you see what it has done. See what it has done for us now. Okay. This present one, this is the one we started from. Okay, which is supposed to be the beginning. Okay. So it's telling us that for Benin, this is the scenario. The surplus is 26,000. For it changed this whole thing because of trying to do all those. Well, but I hope it is understood. Hmm? That Benin figure was actually overwritten, when the system was misbehaving then. Okay. Guys, want us to take it again or we should move on?
Let's take it again.
Okay.
Try
Okay.
try that the part of where
Which part?
you named
The
the
ranges.
data.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can explain that again, no problem. But you can see
All
here,
right.
did anybody capture these values then? Anybody type it? The initial values. Hmm? Nobody typed it. Okay. Okay. So let just explain with these three. So what it does is it tries to compare. You can see for Warri with a salary of 220, they're able to save 26,000. Lagos with a salary of 300, they're able to save that. Harcourt with a salary of 250, you're able to save 15. Okay, so if the objective is to have the highest savings, of course, we go for Lagos, isn't it? Exactly. Is it clear, please? Is it understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. We can still add the Benin if we want to. Let's say we want to add Benin scenario now. We can still do that. Let's just say, let's go to what if analysis, scenario manager. Let's add Benin.
So, sir, please connect us back to the audio again.
Okay, okay. Okay. So to avoid the echoing, I need to mute that so that we can be hearing you from the phone. All right, so we have Benin, the Benin scenario, the changing cells remain the same. Click OK. What's happening to this thing today? Okay, so I know it was 180K that we had initially. I think the housing was 30. Transport was, I think, 35. Feeding, can't remember feeding.
60,000.
60, yes, you're right. Electricity was 10.
10,000.
Others was 30.
30, yeah.
Yeah, so that was the Benin scenario. So let's just still add it. Okay, so if we do the summary, so it has added the Benin scenario now. Okay. Usually the current one, it will always put where you started from. Okay. That's where it started from, or the last one that you showed. We click show just now. That's why it's putting this one here. So don't bother about this. Usually you start your comparison from here. Okay, so for Benin, you can see it's yielding 15. Okay. Now, why do we have to do this? There are some situations where even though like Lagos now is 300, okay, after doing your scenario, you might see that the surplus might not be what you expect. You understand? Now, you can be earning 180 in Benin. Under some circumstances, it may even be better than 300 in Lagos. Okay? But when you do this kind of analysis, you are able to easily see which is more beneficial for you. Okay? You can see Port Harcourt now, like choosing between Port Harcourt and Benin, for example. You can see both of them are yielding the same thing, 15. Despite the fact that Port Harcourt is higher, has a higher gross pay. You understand? Now, why inconvenience yourself to move to Port Harcourt when it's not going to yield any difference from when you are in Benin? So if you were to choose, if these were the only two options we had, which do you think would have been a better choice? You just stay where you are, right?
Yeah.
Yes. If this is the only factor you are considering, we are assuming that this is the only factor, that there's no other factor. Okay. All right. So, any questions? Yes, we talked about the naming of the cells. How we
Yeah.
did the naming of the cells. Can someone remind us about that?
You are lighted.
What are the steps?
And you went to
You
you are
have,
lighted.
yes,
And you went to the formula.
formula,
Bar.
yes.
And you went to define, and you said you use create from selection.
Yes, you go to create from selection. Click on
Okay.
create from selection. Yes. Left column.
Left column. Why is it not working for me?
Okay, you tried it there, it's not working.
I've tried it countless times, it's not working.
How did you know it's not working? Did you
It's
check
already
it?
in left, it's already in left column. When I clicked on the quiz names from selection,
Did you
it's already
select,
showing left.
did you select like the,
Okay. I've seen my flops.
hello?
It's still not working.
Okay. It's still not working?
Still not working.
What did you do? You highlighted everything like this?
Yes.
Just highlight it again. And it didn't give you any message, right?
Mm-mm.
Okay, you know what I want you to do now? Huh? Go to formula, okay? Click
Okay.
on name manager, this name manager, click on it. Can you see anything like this?
This define name.
Can you see things like this?
Sorry, I don't know. You said I should go to formula, the
And
name
click
manager.
name manager here, name manager.
Okay.
Can you see these
Okay,
names? You can
yes.
see them.
Yes, sir.
Then it's created now. It's created. Now click on this 180. Click on it, this first one. Then look here.
It's not showing.
Look here. It's not showing here.
Mm.
Are you seeing my cursor?
Yes, I know this. That's the name table. It's not showing.
Uh-uh. Okay. Do you have space in between them? Do you have space?
Yes.
And that's why now.
That's what I'm
Well,
suspecting. Yes.
that's why, of course.
My
See,
line
wait,
is not well arranged.
wait, hold on. Click here. Click this gross pay. Read what is
Okay.
here. What cell is this? Cell what? B what? This is B5. What's your own?
Um, should be
It's there now.
not
Just look
showing
at your
it.
screen.
No,
See, a chance.
it's showing. It's
Yeah.
showing. It's showing. Sir.
Hold on. See. Just click on it. Look at up here. Look up here. Is this B or C or whatever? Then look on the left. Is it
No,
five
because
or
I didn't. It. I didn't. Uh, it's not properly arranged. I know where the phone is coming
okay? All right.
from. It's not properly arranged.
Okay, but you've gotten the point how to do it, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, so you must
Okay.
organize it properly. You know, that's the thing, part of analytics. You see, when you are doing analytics, the first thing, you know, we talked about organizing data. If you don't organize your
Yeah.
data properly, your analysis will not work. You understand? So that's the thing. Especially like what happened now, maybe you have a spacing between them. So in such a case, it will be giving you problems. It's not as if you still cannot name it, but you cannot use this method we use now. You have to use a different method.
Okay.
Okay. You have to use a different method. So let's not, we won't go into that now because that's not the topic we are looking at. Okay, let me just show it to you. Now, let's say, for example, you want to do it differently. Let's say you want to name uh, this cell now. Hmm? I just go there, formula, define name. Okay, you put the name. Let's say, for example, I have let me type it here. Gross pay. Since I've already used those names, let me use the difference. Let's say basic allowance. Okay. Okay. Now I want to name this cells now using a different method. I click on this basic. This is the basic now. I just go to formula. You can use define names. You see, it has already picked the name basic. If it had not picked it, I would have had to type it here. Okay. Then here, of
That's
course,
work now.
it has worked now. It has picked that cell.
Yes,
So
sir.
you have to do them one by one like that. Okay. You have to do it one by one. If you don't want to use that general selection method, just use define name. You put the name, whatever the name is, allowance, then the cell you want to name like that.
K5,
You choose the cell.
K6,
So
K6.
okay, so that's that. So are we okay? Do we think the scenario manager is something that is useful?
Very useful.
Very useful. Okay. Now, after you have created it like this, you can still format it. You can still change whatever you want to change. Okay? You can change whatever you want to change.
It's like I'm doing something wrong. my summary is not displaying the surplus row. Yeah.
Okay, the surplus row is not displaying. Okay, you know what you do? Before you start it, you know what you do? Click here. Before you do the summary, click on this figure for surplus. Then go and try it again. Go and display your summary. Is it okay now?
Sir, sir,
Yes.
in our scenario, edicts this under the protection, is it prevents changes or hide or nothing?
You can just leave that as it is.
Because it's on the prevent changes is clicked.
Don't
I
worry.
don't know.
Just leave it.